Good morning, everyone. Yesterday we were doing question number 1. I think all three parts we have done. फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड एंड थर्ड पार्ट, फोर्थ फिफ्थ मैंने होमवर्क में दिए थे आपको दोनों पार्ट्स. एंड बाय मिस्टेक कल जो मैंने होमवर्क लिख दिया वो मैंने क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 लिख दिया था. होप आपको कि समझ आ गया होगा. वो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 था जो हमने डिस्कस किया था क्लास में. 6 अभी हम करेंगे. यू हैव टू डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 ऑन योर होमवर्क नोटबुक. नाउ वी विल डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, exercise 1.2, question number 2. Question is find the LCM and HCF of the following pair of numbers. LCM and HCF हमें find out करना है.
Question, so we have to give answer with start.
Find the HCF and LCM of the following pair of integers and verify that LCM into HCF is equal to the product of two numbers. Numbers दिए हुए हैं हमारे पास. One number is 26 and other number is 91. So first we will find the HCF of these two numbers, then LCM of these two numbers, and then check whether the product of HCF and LCM is equal to the product of the numbers or not. So start doing this question. First find the HCF. For that we have to make the prime factors. अगर आप डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हो तो well and good. 91, तो 26 के प्राइम फैक्टर्स बनेंगे 2 into 13. 91 is 7 into 13. So HCF is equal to 13 and LCM is equal to 2 into 7 into 13. So 2 into 7 14 and 14 into 13 is 182. Now we will do the verification. Lower classes में ये आपने questions किए हुए हैं. First LCM into HCF. HCF into LCM. This is equal to 91 into 26. Do 91 into 26. What you get? 2366. And then product of numbers. Product of numbers is equal to 26 into 91. वो भी यही है. It is equal to 2366. Therefore, product of HCF and LCM is equal to product of numbers. So note down this question and do rest of the parts yourself. Hurry up. So here make correction. 13 into 182 is 13 into 182. मैंने numbers लिख दिए थे. 13 into 182 ये भी आपका कितना आएगा? 2366. Make this correction. Do rest of the parts, second and third part, then we will discuss their answers. Next is 510 and 92. So 510 plus and 92. First we make the prime factors of 5010 is 2 into 510. 51 is 17 into 3. and 92. 92 means 46 into 2. It is 23 into 2 into 2. Which is 22 into 2 into 2 into 23. So now we find the HCF and LCM. HCF is equal to 2 and LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 17 into 23. So multiply it. So LCM is 23460. Now product of HCF and LCM. 2 into 2, 3, 4, 6, 0, which is equal to 0, 12, 9, 6, 4. And product of numbers is equal to 5, 10 into 92, which is again 4, 6, 9, 2, 0. Therefore, LCM into, और हमने पहले HCF लिखा है, HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Now do the last part of this question. It is 3, 3, 6 and 54. Third part. 3, 3, 6 and 54. First make the prime factors of 336. 336. 2 1s are 2, 6 are 12, 8. So 84, 242, 221, 27, 37 and 7, 1, and then 54, 227, 39, 33, and 3, 1. Now find the HCF and LCM. So 336 is 4 times 2, 3 into 7. 54 is 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So HCF is equal to 2 into 3, which is equal to 6. And LCM is equal to 4 times 2, 3 times 3 into 7. Now I got 16, 16 into 27 into 7, 3024. Now find the product of HCF and LCM. HCF into LCM. 6 into 3024. Is 18144. Now find product of numbers. Product of numbers is 336 into 54, which again should be this. Therefore, at product of HCF and LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Note down this. Question number 3 is find the HCF and LCM of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. अभी हमने जो ये मेथड जिससे हम ये फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं HCF LCM, दिस इज कॉल्ड द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. आपने जो नंबर्स दिए हुए हैं इनके प्राइम फैक्टर्स बना के HCF और LCM फाइंड आउट करना है. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 all parts in homework. Right now question number 4, given that HCF of two numbers is 9 and find the LCM. Do this question. Question number 4. We know that the product of two numbers is equal to product of HCF and LCM. Here the first numbers are 306 and 657, and the HCF of both the number is 9. We have to find the LCM. So 306 into 657 over 9 is equal to LCM. Solve it and find the value of LCM. First कटिंग हो जाएगी 9 और 306 की, या 657 के साथ कटिंग हो जाएगी, ये 34 आ जाएगा इसको कट करके. Now multiply 657 with 34. What you get? 22,338. So LCM of the two numbers is 22,338. Fifth question हमने already discuss कर लिया था कल. That how can we check that the given number end with 0 or not for any natural number n? In this you have to make the prime factors of the 6. 6 के prime factor बनेंगे 2 and 2 into 3 whole raised to power n. Reason आप क्या लिखोगे? Since in the prime factorization of 6 power n, 5 is not in the prime factorization of 6 raised to power n, so the number will not end with 0. Now next, explain why the given numbers are composite numbers. Now can anybody tell me first what are composite numbers? Yes, Mehak, me break. Any other? Okay, Pushkar. Unmute करो.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी.
The numbers which lies on zeros and other,
For
which
example,
lies on, for example, 4,
for example,
4, 6, 8,
means
4,
or we
6,
can say
8.
that the numbers which are not prime numbers क्या होते हैं? जिनके factors क्या होते हैं? 1 or the number itself. Those numbers
Yes, ma'am.
whose factors are other than 1 and number itself are called the prime composite numbers. Or we can say the numbers which are not prime numbers are the composite numbers. So here you have to check whether the given numbers are composite numbers or not. So for that, first we will write the number 7 into 11 into 13. 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. Can we write like this? हम इस 13 को common factor ले सकते हैं. क्या बच जाएगा हमारे पास? 7 into 11 plus 1. So 13 ब्रैकेट में आ गया 77 plus 1. So 13 into 78. It means इसमें जो it is the product of these two numbers. So this is a composite number. Write down this and do the next part yourself. Second part इसका खुद try करो. Now the next part is seven into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. Again take 5 as the common factor. 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1. Now multiply this. Have you done this question? Who will tell me what is the multiplication of these numbers? Yes, Mehak.
Ma'am, the multiplication is 1008.
1008
008
plus
plus
1.
1.
Okay, 501009.
मैम में क्वेश्चन है
हाँ,
मैम क्वेश्चन में है कि एक्सप्लेन
now the next seventh is there is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field while the Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Circular table, path, सोनिया 18 मिनट्स लेती है एक कवर करने के लिए. इट द सर्कुलर पाथ अराउंड द स्पोर्ट्स फील्ड. सोनिया टेक्स 18 मिनट्स to drive one round of the field while the Ravi takes 12 minutes from the for the same. Suppose they both start at the same point and at the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? सोनिया 1 राउंड कंप्लीट कर रही है 18 मिनट्स में. सोनिया टेक 18 मिनट्स एंड रवि 1 राउंड कितने मिनट्स में कंप्लीट कर रहा है 12 मिनट्स में. तो हम यहाँ पे पहले टेबल बनाते हैं फॉर सोनिया एंड फॉर रवि. सोनिया का फर्स्ट राउंड कितने मिनट्स में कंप्लीट होगा? फर्स्ट राउंड उसका 18 मिनट्स में और रवि का कितने मिनट्स में कंप्लीट होगा? 12 मिनट्स में. सिमिलरली सेकेंड राउंड सोनिया का कितने मिनट्स में कंप्लीट होगा? 18 प्लस 18 वो कितने मिनट्स में आ जाएगा? 36 मिनट्स में. और रवि का कितने मिनट्स में कंप्लीट होगा? 24 मिनट्स में. सिमिलरली द थर्ड राउंड हमें वो टाइम चेक करना है जिस टाइम पे वो दोनों आपस में मीट करें एंड द मिनिमम टाइम. सबसे कम वो टाइम कौन सा होगा जिसमें दोनों आपस में मीट करेंगे? नेक्स्ट वन इज, so can anybody tell me first here what we will find, HCF or LCM for the minimum time in which they can? So here we will find the LCM of the numbers. The first round in 18 minutes, second round उसका 36 minutes में वो complete करेगी, third round 54 minutes में and so on. Similarly Ravi first round 12 minutes में complete कर रहा है, second उसका हो जाएगा 24 minutes में और उसके बाद third round जो होगा उसका 36 minutes में. अब ये 36 minutes उन दोनों का time common है, मींस जब रवि का थर्ड राउंड कंप्लीट होगा उस टाइम पे सोनिया का सेकंड राउंड कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. सो एट दिस 30 आफ्टर 36 मिनट्स दे विल मीट ईच अदर. Any doubt regarding this question? Those who have raised their hand, Dring and Jakteshwar. Yes, Jakteshwar, do you have any doubt? No. Okay. Yes, Karan.
हम सीधा भी तो दोनों का एलसीएम फाइंड कर आंसर आई
कर सकते हैं. हाँ, हम सीधा एलसीएम ही फाइंड आउट करेंगे. ये सिर्फ आपको समझाने के लिए लिखा है, अदरवाइज आप दोनों का एलसीएम फाइंड आउट करो, यू गेट द आंसर.
ओके,
ठीक है. और फाइंड, ये भी हमने एलसीएम ही फाइंड आउट किया है, अदरवाइज द लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल ही लिया है दोनों का. तो अब मैं एलसीएम लेके आपको बता रही हूँ. सो व्हेन यू टेक द एलसीएम ऑफ 18 इट इज 2 9 3 3 and 1, then 12 2 6 2 3 and 1. So now you can take the LCM. 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 36. So you will write both of them meet at the starting point after 36 minutes. Therefore, they meet together at the same point after 36 minutes. Now, any doubt in any question in this exercise? Okay, no one. So write down the next. Now we will discuss in 9th class we have learned about the numbers, irrational numbers. वहां पे हमने कोई प्रूव नहीं किया था इनका कि how can we prove that the given numbers are irrational. Now we will do the proof that how can we prove that the given number is an irrational number. सबसे पहले हम simple number √2 से start करेंगे. So write down the question. Prove that under √2 is an irrational number. Question, write down. Prove that √2 is an irrational number. इन क्वेश्चंस को करने के लिए हम कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन से स्टार्ट करेंगे. कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन मींस हम जो हमें गिवन है प्रूफ जो हमने करना है हम उसे ऑपोजिट लेंगे. हमें इरेशनल प्रूव करना है. हम ये सपोज करके चलेंगे दैट √2 इज नॉट एन इरेशनल बट इट इज अ rational. So start solution. Let us suppose that √2 is a rational number, right? अगर 2 rational number है तो rational number की definition के according we can write √2 in p by q form. हम √2 को p by, therefore we can write √2 in p by q form because this is a rational where p and q are integers. Where p and q are integers, q is not equal to 0 and HCF of p and q is equal to 1. हमें पता है कि रैशनल नंबर की स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में उनका HCF मींस वो लोएस्ट फॉर्म में होते हैं नंबर्स. The HCF of the numbers are 1. If this is so, now cross multiply. We can write 2q is equal to p. लिख सकते हैं इसका cross multiply. Now squaring both sides. Now squaring both sides. Squaring both sides means 2q square is equal to p square. इसके इक्वल आ जाएगा. Squaring both sides करेंगे.